with us flew down to the Falkland Islands in the longest bombing raid in history at the time, dropped 21 1,000-pound bombs on the Port Stanley runway. 2 of them hit it, which was a pretty good effort because these are wartime Second World War bombs, completely done bombs. Did what was necessary and came back to Ascension Island. It was more than 7,000 miles round trip. That's about the same distance as from here to Bali non-stop. And they took 18 refuelings to do that. You can hear, I think, the 4 Rolls-Royce Bristol Olympus 202 engines spooling up 16,500 pounds of shredding thrust. Delta shape. There's the run-in and brake, and I expect to see Kev bringing her back in towards the Vulcan and 2 Lancasters, and how amazing that will be. Here she comes again. You can see plenty of unburnt fuel coming out of the back of those engines, and it just stops as I said it. And his work was taken over by Stuart Davis. Bomb doors open. That's the size of the bomb bay. Other side of the airfield. You see the bomb doors closing as she comes by this time. So there they have tours around all the year round there, well worth the trip, and it all looks absolutely lovely there. Now you see as she comes into land, you can see those big air brakes above and below the wings, and Kev brings her down onto the runway. The main undercarriage touches down now. That's 16, no, they're down, 16 wheels down, 2 to go, and thank you.